What's up, y'all? I'm in the middle of this job. Figured I'd pull out the camera because I was frustrated that there are no videos on YouTube about changing the O2 sensor on a Ford Fusion. If they are, they're very long and complicated or don't show the full steps. This is a 1.5 Upstream sensor. So far, I've taken out the battery because some videos show that it's on the top right here, but on the 1.5 2016, it's at like 2 o'clock, as you can see right there where my ratchet goes. Take out the battery because it's on this side. I have 2 long extensions, one right there. I got another one for leverage. That the O2 sensor could be stuck, so you might have to put some grip on it, then break it loose. But you can get to it without taking anything off besides the battery. O2 socket looks like this, 7/8. Get to it from the side and I'll come back when I get it out. All right, you can see the clip right here. This sits right here. So this is like, there's like a small clip. See that little orange piece at the bottom? That's just in a little hole to keep it from moving. Just pop that up, and I'm reaching in from the back right here. Once you pop that up, sorry, I'm trying to do best I can to see. Maybe that's why people don't have videos. There's a little, see that little button right there on top? Right there on the top. Just push that down right here where my thumb is. Push that down and it separates right from this plug. Breaking it loose wasn't that hard. Now I'm just reaching my hand down in there and I'm twisting it out with my hand. All right, y'all, I'm like 8 minutes in right now. Got this out. As you can see, this is the old one. That's why we're getting check engine light. The new one, this is the new one. The new one usually comes with the thread grease on there. Make sure you do not get it on the tip of it when you put it in. So just don't touch the threads. So all I'm gonna do is reach down right here, start twisting it in, and then plug this side back in there. Trying to record best as I can to show y'all there's these tubes and stuff in the way, but right there I can still hit my hand down in there, just reach around the back side of the tubes, and then you can twist it in that way. It gets stuck a little bit on some of the other wires, but as you turn, you'll feel how it goes in. All right, I got it tightened back down, and as you can see, I can reach back through. This is just with one hand, so I obviously can't do it, but then I'm just gonna snap these two together like that and stick it back in the hole. You can leave it loose if you want, but stick it back in the hole if you want it to be back as normal. All right, just put the battery back on and it should be good to go.